What makes a recipe healthy? It's about balancing macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Want to make your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor? Try these easy swaps. Switch white rice for quinoa or cauliflower rice. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. Opt for whole grains over refined ones. Sweeten naturally with honey or dates instead of refined sugar. These small changes make a big difference. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With the right ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can enjoy meals that are both nutritious and delicious.